All right, when you're not quite finished with a project, it is okay to do things temporarily. Some people call these, like a hack or something. And if this was permanent, it might be a little bit, like, come on, man, what are you doing? But check it out, it works just fine. So I was gone for a day or two. I took this big old bolt, taped it on with some duct tape, got it lined up, and bam. Guess how many deer came in here yesterday? 0. So, yeah, you gotta do things halfway sometimes before you can finish them completely. Kind of like the hinges. So, yeah, just feel free to not quite complete the things that you were planning to get completed and just make it work for now.